इनमें जहर नहीं होता।
Okay, baby. What's cooking?
I have 1000 subscribers.
Happy birthday.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Okay, it's the weekend और आज बहुत ज़्यादा ही lazy day है. I've been up since 5 in the morning, but मन ही नहीं कर रहा था उठने का first of all, and सुबह से बस 2-3 बार मैं अंदर बाहर रूम से हॉल से गार्डन यही कर रही हूँ. Still I haven't been able to get up properly, so मुझे लगा चलो कॉफ़ी बनाई जाए. आई नो ये जस्ट बहाना है, बट आई डोंट नो, वो एक मौसम होता है ना जिसमें लगता है कि बस उठो ही ना, बस रज़ाई ओढ़कर सो जाओ या फिर ड्राइव पर चले जाओ. वो मौसम होता है ना जिसमें अचानक बहुत तेज़ बारिश होती है, अंदर अचानक धूप निकल आती है, बेसिकली जिसमें सब बीमार पड़ते हैं. सो या इट्स दैट मौसम. सो कॉफ़ी तो बनती है. अदरवाइज आई हैड थॉट like ever since I got done with my exam, I thought कि नहीं चलो now I'll cut down on my caffeine intake. बहुत हो गया. Because you know at a point like during my preparation also, रोज़ सुबह उठ के कॉफ़ी बनाना after a point had become a compulsion. मतलब मुझे लग रहा था do I really need it? But then it had just become a part of my schedule, so I had to do it. So yeah, मैंने सोचा नहीं चलो अब at least I should cut it down. But मौसम had other plans. Not complaining, I love coffee. I don't know, I have told this in my vlog before. I'm both a coffee and a tea person, and it is required to tell because कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जो सिर्फ कॉफ़ी पर्सन होते हैं या कुछ कहते हैं कि नहीं मैं तो बस चायड़ी हूँ, कोई कहते हैं नो आई एम अ कॉफ़ी पर्सन. नो, आई लव बोथ. मतलब सुबह उठकर आई नीड माई कॉफ़ी, दिन भर में या शाम को और एनी टाइम यू आस्क आई वॉन्ट चाय. सो या unnecessary detail, but welcome to my vlog. Okay, so let's begin the day. देखती हूँ what do I do. यहाँ लाइट बहुत अच्छी आ रही है ना? Okay, so something just happened that I have to tell you guys. Our doorbell rang. There was a neighbor's maid who saw a snake enter our house. Yeah, through the main gate. I mean, okay. And I got so petrified because just a moment ago I was walking, like I was to and froing from my room to my hall to my garden, and I was there in the garden a few moments ago. Oh my god. You know, ठीक है, snake poisonous हो ना हो, the thought that it was a snake, that petrifies you a lot. So yeah, then she kept an eye on the snake till we came outside. Then we kept an eye on the snake, and then my parents called the wildlife guy. He came in and he very swiftly caught the snake, and he said he'll release it somewhere else, जो भी उनका procedure होता होगा. And yeah, what was I doing? You know your girl. I was shooting it all. I have the footage. You'll see the clip now. And this is where the snake was sitting, जिस पे मैंने नज़र रखी हुई थी, और जब भैया आए तो मैंने उन्हें बताया. And look at him, so bravely looking for it. I mean, oof.
देख कितना तेज निकला है, कितना तेज निकला है.
क्या चीज़ है भाई? स्नेक है ना? आराम से ना?
पकड़ पकड़ यार कितना तेज भाग रहा है, देखो उधर ना.
And here he got the snake, and because they had come from somewhere else, they couldn't bring their kit, so they asked for a bag to carry the snake and then release it somewhere else. Look at those serrations. So according to him, it was a rat snake, and if you want to get rid of rats in your house, everyone should have one.
इनमें जहर नहीं होता.
I think he jokingly said that.
ये लास्ट टाइम यही वाला था क्या?
यही वाला था ये.
हाँ, पर ये अलग दिख रहा है थोड़ा.
इनका कलर येलो ब्लैक अलग हो सकता है.
रैट स्नेक बोल रहे हैं. आपको डर नहीं लगा?
और बस थोड़ी सी फॉर्मेलिटी हुई, and we got rid of it. Hello, okay, so this is me during editing. मुझे लगा मुझे ये बात बतानी बहुत important है. So you have to take care of two things if you see a snake in your house. First, don't panic. I know, even I panicked. But then, in your panic, do not hurt the snake. Second is, do not hurt the snake. Just call the wildlife guys. Google में आजकल number मिल जाता है. Every area has snake catchers. They will come and do the needful. So just don't hurt the snake is what I wanted to say. बस then we had lunch. पापा ने चिकन बिरयानी बनाई थी. इसका मैं एक दिन अच्छे से एक प्रॉपर व्लॉग करूँगी. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू द जिम with my parents and it's my first day. And that's my mommy. Yeah, I call her senior curls because I got my curls from her. Even she has curly hair. And also from my father's side. And mashallah, she is very fit and works out better than me. Far, far better than me. डाल दीजिए. मैं भी अब फ़ोन रखती हूँ. नहीं, मैं ले जाती हूँ. आज मेरा पहला दिन है तो मैं अंदर का भी ब्लॉग करती हूँ. Okay, so I'm just back from the gym और बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है तो I asked my papa to cook something and let's see what he's cooking.
Okay, baby.
And that's my baby dearest. Sous chef, a passionate actor, singer, actually an all-rounder.
What's cooking?
हलवा है बेसन का.
अच्छा. पोस्ट वर्कआउट मील है क्या? हलवा.
चना है, चना अच्छा होता है.
काहे का है?
बेसन.
ओके. हाँ.
And that's my post-workout meal. I hope my trainer is not watching. Of course she's not. Okay, so I just had halwa and bhel और अब मैं डिनर करूँगी. So I don't know, I feel जब से मैं workout करना start की हूँ, like ever since I've started working out, I've realized I am not cutting down on my junk or sugar intake or dairy products. Like these are the things that I had specifically cut down during preparation because I was not working out. So I thought I have to limit these things. But now I feel like I totally deserve it. I know I don't. Generally, we should cut down on these things. Like, okay, if not cut down, we should limit these things. But then recently I've realized I'm not doing that. So yeah, not a good habit, but yeah, I will be back soon. Does this happen with you as well? Ki when you're working out, do you feel like, oh, I deserve it? Okay, so I'll end my vlog here. और बहुत ही शॉर्ट व्लॉग है ये, ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं इस वीकेंड बिकॉज हमारी कार सर्विसिंग पे गई हुई थी. सो या बहुत ही बोरिंग यू कैन कॉल इट. बट देन आई थॉट अब जब सोच लिया है कि आई हैव टू अपलोड व्लॉग्स रेगुलरली, सो आई नॉट अपलोड इवन अ बोरिंग व्लॉग बिकॉज ऐसा होता नहीं है कि यू नो एवरी डे और एवरी वीक यू हैव हैपनिंग थिंग्स गोइंग अराउंड यू. And obviously I can't make up things just for the sake of vlog. So yeah, that was my weekend. And yeah, मैंने अभी hair wash किया है. So what is she doing? बर्तन जमा रही है दीदी. So yeah, I was telling you about my hair. तो मैंने hair wash किया है after many days because now they have grown up so long and my papa was like you should wash them daily and I was like what daily? No, I can't because ये बहुत लंबे हैं. I have to get them cut. So he said get them cut and I told him I have to go to Pune for that and he was like Pune? Yeah, that was his reaction. And yeah, I think in my knowledge there is no other salon in India curly hair के लिए. So if you know then do let me know. But then in my knowledge there is only one salon in India which is in Pune. So I have to go to Pune to get my hair cut. I don't know when will I go but then inshallah I'll go soon. क्योंकि मुझे चाहिए एक proper अच्छा cut and usually I keep them short only. So I don't know अभी मुझे कितने दिन तक इतने लंबे रखने होंगे and it's so tiresome to keep long hair. Oh my god. So yeah, Papa was like यही चौक में जावेद हबीबे जाओ कट करवा लो and क्या बोलूँ अब. Also a very beautiful thing happened. I feel I witnessed a very beautiful thing for the first time. And जब हम कार सर्विसिंग पे देने जा रहे थे I saw a cow give birth and it was so beautiful. मतलब वो जो बछड़ा था it was so tiny और उसका umbilical cord भी attached था तभी and वो धीरे से खड़ा भी हो गया बच्चू and it was so beautiful to witness. Obviously I have a video but I didn't post because cow की privacy, but then I am so glad I could witness that. So yeah, मुझे छोटू सा story share करना था. Okay, and सुबह से I have been waiting 999 subscribers show हो रहे थे and सुबह से it's been 5 to 6 hours and मैं अब finally I have 1000 subscribers. Yes, I don't know how to express this happiness, but I'm so elated, so happy. And yeah, so इस occasion पे मैंने सोचा है my next video will be about me kind of a video. वो जो होते हैं ना 10 facts about me वाली चीज़ें. So I thought मैंने अभी proper introduction भी नहीं दिया है अपना. So I will थोड़ी चीज़ों का I'll make a video and post on the occasion of my 1000 subscribers. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for pouring in so much love. मतलब thanks. मतलब I don't have words. मैं क्या मतलब बोल रही हूँ. I seriously don't have words. I am so blessed and grateful. I feel कि मुझे वीडियोस बनाने पसंद है, आपको देखना पसंद है. Wow. Okay, so now I'm going for a birthday party and it is my चड्डी बड्डी's birthday. So we are friends since childhood, मतलब बहुत ही बचपन से, since the time we don't even remember. So yeah, I'm going for a birthday. And there's a running joke between us कि we are not friends by choice but by force. But yeah, we don't have a choice and we choose to stay, by the way. So yeah, I'll go, I'll see what I can vlog because I'll be meeting my other family friends and so many of our friends after so long. So yeah, I'll see what I can vlog, but I'll try to have fun.
बोल हेलो ब्यूटीफुल पीपल.
नहीं स्टार्ट थोड़ी कर रही हूँ मैं तो आज भी तेरे बर्थडे पे. It's her birthday and ये बिट्टू है. Okay, so she is Bittu. She can say, do and make you do the craziest things. And yeah, ये बचपन से ही ऐसे ही है and बचपन से ही अपनी favorite है. मेरी चड्डी पट्टी.
Not by choice. It's our parents.
इसलिए चड्डी पट्टी.
Become friends.
इसलिए चड्डी पट्टी. मेरे बर्थडे का सेटअप दिखा दें. All done by her husband.
Oh no, the husband.
Sweet husband.
No, husband was chosen by me. So it's all me.
So pretty, isn't it? And that's all of us playing housey and then dumb charades.
Okay, start करें. Narko को अर्ली 7. अविनाश को अर्ली 7. सूर्या को अर्ली 7. ये लोग प्रोटोकॉल बिगाड़ दिए सारा. अब गाना ठीक है.
विश मांग रही है.
ओके अब मैं फूकने जा रही हूँ.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bittu. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
No. क्या बोल रही थी?
मेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे का हो गई.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Okay, I'm just back from the birthday party और it was a fun evening. मैंने थोड़ा बहुत vlog किया ही है. So yeah, that's it for today. और do like my video if you liked it and do comment and also subscribe.